So today on the workbench, got this little fifth generation iPod. I've had this thing for 20 years now, and the battery has failed on it. So I'm going to attempt to replace the battery, and we'll see how that works out. I got one of these little kits right here from Amazon. So let's go ahead and open it up. It should include a battery and all of the tools needed to open up the iPod. There we go. I will provide a link below with where you can purchase this if you need to do this with your iPod. All right, there we go. Yep, we got a little LiPo battery. It's a replacement for the classic. Well, I believe that's what they call this now, is a classic iPod. And if this thing fires up after we do it, it may take some time for it to charge up. I should have like pictures and things on there from like 20 years ago. All right, we have disassembly steps. Okay, first lock the screen. All right. I guess that means we put it in the hold position. When disassembling the iPods, since it is a snap-on structure, there's no need to remove screws or glue when disassembling. Use the thin opening tool to slowly open it from the side. Use a triangular tool to slowly pry along the edge of the device until it can be opened. Be extra careful when opening the machine cover. There are two ribbon cables connected to the ends in the middle. Do not apply excessive force, or the connection cable on the machine will break. All right. Gently remove the battery ribbon cable from the connection point. Okay. There was battery glue at the bottom of the original battery. Use a black plastic prying tool to gently lift it from the bottom. Remove the old batteries. Be extra careful when using the tool to remove the batteries to prevent damage to adjacent ribbon cables. Okay. Well, let's see what we got going on here. Let's see if we can remove this from its plastic prison. Okay. And there we go. Now it's starting to come out. I always crack these things when it gets to the corners. Whenever I say these things, I mean phones or anything else. Never been very good at popping these guys out. All right, there we go. Get that off. See if we can go around this side just gently, gently, gently. Little by little. Yep, that's the way I want to do it. Do the same up here. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay. And we have it disassembled. Okay, here is, so as you can see right there, this connector down here is the one for the battery. The little guy right there. Now I don't know how that should come out. Should it just lift straight out? is it in there? Oh, it just clicks right out. There we go. All right, so this should open that way. And there we go. Here's our battery. Okay, and it is glued in, like they said. All right, I will just use this little pry tool here. If I can just ever so gently get it to release. Not much effort there. There we go. All right. There's the old battery. She's puffed up a little bit. Lithium ion battery. And I guess we're going to probably replace it with a lithium polymer battery. Let's see here. All right. Let's see if we can extricate it from its plastic prison. Batteries seem smaller. Okay. Oh, look at that. It comes with 3M adhesive tape on it. Sorry, I went out of view there. Just trying to compare the two. All right. Looks like it should go like that. So this guy went like that. This guy should go like this and fit in there like so. Okay. And this is a lithium polymer battery. Sorry, you probably can't read that. All right. All right. I think we're down in there. Okay. So now I'm going to just kind of made it together like that and see if I can with my left hand push that cable connection back down in ever so gently. Okay. All right. Okay. Hey, look at that. It's booting up. It's about half full. And photo library. And there's my little Lucky dog. I miss Lucky. Lucky passed away many years ago. So let me go ahead and just power this thing down. I guess that's what that does. No? Maybe not. Cannot remember how to tell this thing to power off. Sleep. Let's go with that. Okay, I'm hearing the hard drive do stuff. It is all non-responsive. I'm going to click it back over on hold. Very gently try and squeeze everything in here until we get clicks all the way around. And we have clicks all the way around. And yeah, look at that. There we go. Music. Playlists. 90s music. We got 90s music and dark dance and metal. My top rated. What was my top rated? Oh, Don't Stay Home. 311. Man. We got some Blondie in here. Got some Big Country. Sandstorm. All right. Awesome, awesome. So, yeah, I guess that's it. That's how you do one of these things. So, guys, take care, and I will put some links down below to the tools that or the battery and tools that I purchased from Amazon to be able to do this. Take care. We'll see you.